Alumaglobus, California, coming at you with the question of wall cladding. Everybody's asking me, hey Ronnie, what is the best wall cladding to use? Wood, composite, or aluminum? So let's do some testing, all right? Rust-free, all three are rust-free. Warping, not all of them are gonna warp. Aluminum is not gonna warp. It can take heat resisting like crazy. Your cars are made out of it, so it's not gonna warp. I never saw a car warp. Wood cladding will warp with heat expansion and water, right? So that is gonna warp. Composite is gonna warp. It's a plastic material, so it's gonna be warping. Although fences, there is a lot of very good fences of composite. You can't really see those percentage of warping, but on a beautiful leveled wall, you're gonna see the warping. If I'm gonna go like this on a composite wall, I will see the warping, so I'm putting him a slash. Aluminum cladding will not warp at all. We talked about that. So rust-free warping, toxic, you're gonna oil the wood, it's definitely gonna be toxic. Composite is a plastic material. If you're gonna put a wall very close to a pool and there's kids, your kids are gonna breathe that toxic plastic material, kind of like the synthetic grass, but the synthetic grass is very far away. Do your research and check it, but I know it is toxic. Don't know how much percentage, but it is, and I won't say because I don't want no one calling me on it. All right, so toxic, we talked about it. Fireproof, hell no, fireproof wool cladding. I still don't understand the people who put wool cladding next to fireplaces. Guys, do you want your house to get on fire or what? So, and especially next to barbecue places and anything that it has to do with fire. Wood cladding is gonna get on fire. And if you're gonna oil it, you're crazy. You're just crazy. All right, composite cladding, same thing. It's a plastic material. It's very durable, yes. It's UV resistant, yes. It's waterproof, yes. But it's not fireproof, and I can't say it's fireproof. So it's gonna get a slash right there. We went, aluminum is definitely fireproof, 100% fireproof, airplanes, cars, and your foil of the fireplace is aluminum. So aluminum is fireproof. So definitely gonna put an aluminum cladding around your fireplaces and anything that has to do with fire. So he's not getting any slashes so far. Aluminum cladding, fast install. Wood cladding is not fast install, and not only it's not fast, you need that high-tech professional carpenter that are making a lot of faces when you get the pricing. So you're not going to be happy with it. Yes, it looks beautiful inside. I can't say nothing about it. I love wood. Personally, my whole house is white oak. But now that we have aluminum cladding, it's definitely going to be a great success, especially for outdoor and even for indoor. Because one, you don't need that special carpenter. Two, you don't have to paint it. Three, you don't have to have special tools. So he got a slash. Composite is not as hard as wood. It's a little bit easier. You still need to have a professional installer do it though. So I'm gonna give him a half slash, right? Let's be nice to him. A half slash on the composite. Aluminum, guys, this is just a joke. This is so easy. So all you need to do is, if you went with the universal, just screw it on the wall. As simple as this. Screw the first one on the wall. Screw the second piece on the wall. Then your third one has a little channel. That channel goes and hides your screw, right? So what a beauty. That's all you need to do, and it's waterproof. So if you're gonna go with the universal, if you're gonna go with the click channel, click 40, click 20, you're gonna just level them on the wall. Super easy. Put that screw wherever you want. You can always unscrew it and put it in a different place, and your cladding is gonna hide it. So put your channels in. You got your channels leveled. Click them on. You can combine the colors. My kid can do this. Aluminum cladding by GTO Aluminum, and we are the California distribution. Check out this material, is super amazing. We have tons of stock and you're gonna love it. People are loving it, and you're gonna love it as well. The fact that you can just get the order in really quick, we can help you with measurements, getting the quote in. It all comes colored. It's cool, fully 100% aluminum. So I went a little bit overboard here, but I'm really excited with this product. So lightweight, let's talk about lightweight. Wood is lightweight, so it's not gonna get a slash. Composite is definitely not a lightweight material, and aluminum cladding is a lightweight material. So basically, the aluminum cladding got all the check marks ready. That gives you the answer. Aluminum cladding is the best, ultimate best for all these topics to install a wood cladding inside or outside. And now you can get it from Alumaglobus, California. Aluminum cladding coming at you. Guys, this is brilliant. This is nice. This is easy. The industry is taking over by aluminum product. Check out Alumaglobus. We'll see you guys later.
Hmm.